And here is Chelsea Ship. Does she need to be sworn in? All right, 22-40128 is called the state of Texas versus Chelsea Ann Marie Ship.
No.
That's you with Mr. Macon, your attorney and the state's attorney. Okay. This is a very serious case. They're all serious here. Some are more serious. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this indictment and arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about March 26, 2022, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the first-degree felony of murder with the use of a deadly weapon, namely a firearm, by shooting the complainant, the victim. Do you understand what you're charged with here? This is a first-degree felony, which means if convicted, you face a term of life imprisonment or any term of not more than 99 years or less than 5 years in prison. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand the punishment range here now?
Yes, sir.
Is it because of the writing, Judge?
Yeah.
It's 40 years, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna redo that, Jim. I know, I wish we had this pen for everybody. This pen seems to work better on the pad
Yes,
than
sir.
others.
Thank you.
And
Thank you for clarifying.
Okay. An agreement has been reached where you would be pleading guilty, sentenced to 40 years imprisonment. Is that your understanding of the agreement, ma'am? If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand? How do you plead to this indictment, charging you with this first degree felony, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty. I show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Did you understand it? Discuss it with Mr. Macon, your attorney? Are the contents here true and correct? State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence.
Objection.
And without objection, it's admitted. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment has been read to you. You read it. You are guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses, and you are totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer here. All of this is true. It states, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. Is a pre-sentence report waived here?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything else to add? I'm going to make findings now. If nothing further to add by anyone, I'm going to find that Ms. Ship, you are pleading guilty to this first degree felony of murder voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently. There's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses, and you're totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true, it states. So help you God, out of State's Exhibit 1, and the court supports those representations with positive findings that are in the record that state those admissions. I hereby find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of this first degree felony. I am following the agreement. You are hereby sentenced to confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to serve a term of 40 years. The judgment shall reflect an affirmative finding that a deadly weapon, namely a firearm, was used in the commission of this offense. Anything else we need to add on it?
No,
Is there any,
no, Your Honor.
nothing else from
No, sir.
anyone else?
Not today.
All right. Do you understand what has happened today, Nate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is all. We are in recess on this case.
Thank you, Judge.
Give Mr. Peterson to Mr. Patterson's file too.